So I just want to show you what the kitchen looks like at the moment, because all this is about to change. So these are the worktops. These worktops I've had for many years, and yeah, they're just a bit very outdated. And also I don't like where they join up with this metal here. It just doesn't look very nice, and that's the case with the other side as well. You can see that there is this metal joining, gets all this grimy stuff stuck underneath. It doesn't matter how many times you clean it, it will always mount up. It just doesn't look nice. And I've tried so many different things to cover this with these kind of adhesive covers, marble ones, different ones, but again they actually accumulate a lot of damp underneath, and eventually they go all moldy and you just take them off. So there's no point doing that. Right, so what I'm having done, okay, so my taps, these are going to be changed. These I've had when I first moved in. Well, they weren't the originals, but I got them changed to these, which were really great at the time. I remember getting these from eBay, and they were really good. And I love this because of the country feel and farmhouse feel with these white little detailings on there. I bought this from Shein, which gives me the shower, because there's no way I could get an attachment for this nozzle. It wouldn't work, so I had to get this one from Shein, and it worked perfectly. So that was really good, as you can see, and then I can adjust it to show. So I really like that. But now I've got taps with the shower as well, and I'll just show you a quick clip of those. I want to show you my new 3-way kitchen taps in a nice chrome gold. Just check it out. It has a 360-degree rotation. So this all moves in a nice 360 degrees. Also, it has this lovely pull-out spray. You can see there. And it also has a telescopic straight drink tap here. Look how tiny that is. And that is just for the pure drinking water. It also has the hot and cold water dual handles and the spout. So really, this is your 3-in-1 pure water kitchen sink mixer tap. So these ones, as you can see, they're all getting, the hard water has taken over with all the lime scale caking up, but it still keeps mounting up. It's very hard. Yeah, and that was another it happened anyway, and I was about to show you, but this has come off, and yeah, I'm using it like that. It does work, but it's very tricky, so hence why another reason why I'm getting rid of it. Also, the sink, it just cakes up with, again, all of the lime scale. It leaves this, leaving it all white and everything. There's really nothing I can do. It's just a hard water situation. All at the back there, I mean, this was like this when I moved in. I haven't bothered to replace it. It's just all black, and I've tried every chemical known. It has released some of it. It has faded in some areas, but it's gone like a brownie colour. Anyway, don't like this at all, and I've tried many things. So what I'm going to do, and it's long overdue, and I've always wanted to do it since I moved in and never ever have, I want to get all the worktops replaced. And I'm going to show you a quick clip of what I'm going to get it replaced to, and this is this quartz worktop. So let's have a look at the clip. So I was shown a few samples here of all of the quartz that were available, but this one, the last one that I'm going to show you, is the one that I'm going for, this one here. So yeah, I think that was the best choice for me. So as you saw, it is a light quartz worktop. I'm going to be using it for everything here. We're going to have an undermount sink here, a ceramic white undermount sink with some gold detailing, obviously with the gold tap, and the quartz will have all of the draining lines inserted into the quartz, so that's, don't need all of this, so it's going to look completely different. And also all of the splashbacks, we've got these old white tiles, which I never have a problem with. I think they're really, really nice. I have covered them in the past, obviously, with different transfers, but now I'm going to have the splashback matching the worktop. So Okay, so the sink is still in my living room here because it is very, very heavy because it's ceramic. I can't lift this thing. Yeah, so this is the sink. It's going to look like this, and again it's got in keeping with the taps, it's got the gold detailing, and then this will go here because the overflow, so everything is matching. And yeah, so this is going to be the undermount sink, so yeah, the quartz will go on top, so it all looks nice and neat and hidden away. So yeah, so I'm really looking forward to seeing that, especially when you haven't had a sink like this. I mean, really the only damage you can do to this is to crack it, which obviously you don't want to do. You have to be very careful how you treat your sinks and things, but it is solid, it is very heavy. But the main thing is, the main advantage of getting this is that if you do suffer from hard water and a lot of lime scale, ceramic is quite a good piece of material to use because it will look good for longer. And yeah, that's one of the reasons why I bought it, because even when I clean away, use all these chemicals on the stainless steel one at the moment, it still looks terrible. It doesn't look great. It might look shiny, but you can still see the hard water and the damage, and it just doesn't look nice. So ceramic, I won't be seeing any of that. It'd be just like how you see a basin in the bathroom. It's easy to clean. And so, yeah, I'm looking forward to that. And also the draining board is going to be the quartz anyway. So, again, easy to clean, and you won't get all those white mark stains. So, yeah, so that's that. So that's me showing you that. I also want to show you the new draining dish rack that I bought, because I'm getting rid of that one. And I want to show you the new one that I got from Amazon. Okay, so this is the new dish rack, the new draining dish rack that I got from Amazon. I love it because it's got these lovely wooden handles on the side here, so you can lift this. And also it's got where you can put your cutlery. I liked the one I had before because I had the 3 sections, and I had because I had the section at the end for the knives, but you know, you have to compromise somewhere. So this one's got 2 here, not a problem. It's a good size. I think it's about 42 centimeters along. So yeah, and then you get this little white tray at the bottom. I don't think I'll be using this because obviously my one will be the quartz. So yeah, but it's nice and that you actually have that as well as an option, because some people do need it depending on what your draining board is like in your house. So yeah, so I've got this, and I think it would just really lift everything and brighten everything out. So yeah, that's going to be put in there afterwards. I'm going to show you as much as I can with the transformation when it happens. That will be my next video. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to show you, you know, the befores and afters and everything. So I just wanted to show you this video today so that you get to see what the kitchen looks like in its current state. And yeah, so I hope that it all works out, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will link as much as I can. I actually got the taps from Amazon as well. I can put links down below for that. Can put links down below for this lovely dish rack here. I really like it. I know that they have one similar to this in, I think it's the range. It's called a Nordic dish rack, and there's one in the range. This was cheaper though from Amazon, and I just really liked it. And yeah, so. And also the sink is from eBay, actually. That was from eBay. So yeah, I'll put the Amazon links down below for the other 2 items. And yeah, I will keep you all updated, but I'm very excited and I can't wait to see the finishing kitchen. Tiles I've got on the window, which are really old, and I've tried painting them with tile paint. They've still come up with all these black. The original is black, but I prefer them to be white, and I keep getting all the scratch marks everywhere. I think there's more now than ever before. So this is going to be replaced with quartz as well. I'm hoping. This is the plan anyway, and I'm going to keep you updated and see if this all works. This is the plan. So I'll see you all in the next video, and yeah, hopefully some exciting updates for the kitchen. Bye for now.